Hey guys, it's Dr. Watson here. Welcome to my new show, Unearthed Secrets. During these videos, I will be talking all about essential oils. Today I will be unraveling the secrets behind lavender. Lavender is a perennial evergreen plant that has provided the most used essential oil in the world for the past 2,500 years. Lavender can be found in the Mediterranean region, Europe, Africa, the Canary Islands, the Middle East, and India. The name lavender is believed to originate from the Latin word lavare, meaning to wash, as it was often used in baths and laundry. This floral fragrance has regularly been used for its relaxing effects on the body. According to ancient texts, its purpose is varied from medicinal to religious. In one instance it was being used to disinfect cuts, and in other cases, it was used to scent the air before spiritual practices. If you're still questioning the importance of lavender, I'm sure you won't be after this. Lavender oil has the following benefits. Reduces anxiety and emotional stress. Improves brain function. Helps to heal burns and wounds. Improves sleep. Restores skin complexion. Reduces acne. Slows aging. Relieves pain. Alleviates headaches. First things first, you should never ingest lavender oil. Lavender is far more effective when applied topically or diffused for inhalation. Diffusers disperse essential oils as a fine vapor throughout the air so they can be absorbed gently into the body through the respiratory system. This can be achieved with one of our very own diffusers. They also play music, which is pretty cool. When the lavender is inhaled, scent receptors in the brain process the aroma as calming, allowing the mind and body to relax. When diluted with a carrier oil, it can be used topically and therefore has a variety of uses. Lavender oil is known to moisturize chapped and fading skin. Its antiseptic and antifungal properties may help with insect bites and provide soothing relief to minor burns and cuts. It can stall the look of aging with its powerful antioxidant action and improves the look and feel of skin that is subject to eczema and psoriasis. If you like what you hear, the only next logical step is to buy yourself some. If you head over to Mystic Moments, not only do they have a massive range of essential oils, they are also selling some of the best lavender oil I have ever used. On that note, this is goodbye for me. Until next time, when I will be discovering the secrets behind Bergamot Sicilian.